Do you know many people are having trouble connecting multiple devices to their Bose speaker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Power on your Bose SoundLink Micro speaker and ensure it's connected to your iPhone. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth. On your Kindle Fire 8, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth. Step 3. Prepare speaker. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on your speaker until it announces it's ready to connect. Step 4. Select device. In your Kindle's Bluetooth menu, select Bose SoundLink Micro from the available devices. Step 5. Switch playback. Once connected, pause audio on your iPhone and start playing on your Kindle Fire 8. By following these steps, you should be able to easily switch playback between your iPhone and Kindle Fire 8. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bose users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.